Hello smart money traders, you're welcome back here. If you are trading ICT concepts, then I'm about to show you the best ICT concept trading indicator on TradingView that will help you to master ICT like a professional. If you have TradingView, simply head over to where you see indicators, click on it and search the word ICT concepts. This particular indicator that was created by Lux Algo is what you're going to select. Simply click on it and it will appear on your chart. Now follow all the steps I'm going to show you to be able to get the best settings for this particular indicator. Come to where you see settings, click on it. Come to where you see mode, select this and select the historical. If you select historical, you're going to see that it will delineate all the ICT concepts on your chart for you. Now, if you scroll down to where you see kill zones, I want you to select the kill zones because it will delineate all the ICT kill zones that are very important for you. Now click on OK. This particular indicator have done almost every work for you. It has selected everywhere you're supposed to know your breakoff structure, your market structure shift, your volume imbalances, your fair value gaps. You can scroll across and see buy side liquidity order blocks were selected. Every single thing you're supposed to struggle in identifying has been done for you by this particular indicator. So if you're a beginner, this indicator is going to be very handy for you because you will not struggle with knowing where break of structure happened or where market structure shift happened. So this is the best indicator for you. Now if you go to any other pair that you are interested in, let's say GBP USD, which is one of my favorite pairs, and then you go to the lower time frame, let's say 15 minutes, you're going to see all the kill zones that we're talking about. You can see ICT kill zones, you can see London kill zones, you have the New York kill zones, the Asian kill zones. Everything you're supposed to know about this. You can see buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, fair value gaps that were filled, and then prices moving up. You can see order blocks were delineated for you. Everything you're struggling with in identifying all the ICT concepts have been done for you by this particular indicator. So if you want to check this indicator, simply go to indicators, search ICT concepts by Lux Algo, and then you're going to see it on your chart. When you've mastered this, you can actually take it out. This is to help you to be able to identify all the ICT concepts that you are yet to know. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of this, simply hit the subscribe button, or if you are watching this from my other social media platform, head over to my YouTube channel and watch all the other videos I have for you. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.